crooked. Look, if it's crooked, it's crooked. You guys, welcome back to another day with Jay. It's Friday. Ooh, it's Friday. And I'm feeling good. Okay, am I a singer or am I a singer? So, it's Friday. I've had a rough week mentally, just to be like transparent with you guys. So today I decided that I haven't been down to my favorite place by the water, and I haven't ran my favorite bridge in a while, so that is where I'm heading currently. I got up at like 10 this morning because I've been up late. So I was going to try to pull an all-nighter and then go to the gym at 5. That didn't work, you know, but I will conquer this whole go to the gym at 5 a.m. thing. Okay, I will. What the is going on? What am I doing today? What am I doing today? What did I say I was doing today? I'm going to Target. It's always a good day when you go to Target. You know what I'm saying? Let me tell you what I want to get from Target. I worked out in those. I'm going to see if they even still have it because I got this shirt so long ago. Those little $3 like crop top short sleeve shirts. I have a white one that I was going to get rid of, but I was like, you know, let me just throw this on and go work out because I actually don't have, like, I've decluttered a lot of my stuff, and I donated a lot of things, and I put a lot of things on my closet, but workout shirts is just not something that I like have, or just t-shirts in general. So, but I do like those crop top ones for working out in. I like them. It's a different type of vibe. I got a bomb workout in with that shirt on the other day. It's running. Oh, it's flat. It's flat. Oh. I haven't done pre-workout in a while, and I really don't do the energy drinks. This is a sidebar note, but I really don't do the energy drinks. But since my sleep schedule is so messed up, I just take a couple sips of these Alani News Arctic White. Let me spill some tea on this just for a second. These aren't the healthiest, okay? I know it says 0 sugar, but it does have sugar in it. I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news. Which is why you have to read labels sometimes, because I have learned the hard way and I've been very disappointed. A lot of the labels that say sugar-free or 0 sugar, blah, 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 they actually have a different form of sugar in it, and they put it in the ingredient list. And this one, can't you not turn on red? Oh, they turn off the sign. Okay, I guess you can't turn on red. Oh, I'm not going. Y'all are, oh. I'm going. I couldn't see the red light anymore. Chill. Okay, but the ingredient in this, hold on, let me stop with the red light. The ingredient in this one is, what is it? Sucralose. This also has acesulfame in it, which I've been trying to stay away from too. So it's got both of those in it. So me, I don't know if it's like a placebo effect or if it's just in my mind, but I literally just take a few sips and then I feel like I'm good for my workout. It could very, very much be a mental thing. First off, workout. You know, we in the favorite place, we in the car. Y'all get tired of my vlogs in the car? I don't know, I just love vlogging in the car because I love to talk to my friends in the car. Okay. Well, I'll see y'all after my workout down by my favorite place. I'm taking y'all to like my sacred place. Okay. So I hope it does for you what it does for me. Okay. Ta-ta for now. I'm back, and I probably look hot. Like, not cute hot, like hot, because it's hot. But I just got done with my run, and I spent some time by the water. To Starbucks now because I am thirsty. I drank all my water already. That was a really great run. I'm actually really proud of myself, just because it's been a while since I've ran the bridge, and by a while I mean, like, I think it's been like at least a month or maybe a little bit longer. It's really nice to get back to it because for me, being outside and particularly around like ocean water, like, I really find peace in ocean water. It's just something about it. I just love it. It's terrifying if you go swimming in it or whatever, but I think it's beautiful just to like look at and take in and surround yourself with vitamin D. So I'm feeling good, and I'm ready to go to Starbucks and Target. So let's go. Hi, can I please just have a double shot of espresso in a venti cup with ice?
Is that a single shot?
Double shot.
Double shot in a venti?
Yes, with ice.
You got it. Anything else?
That's it, thank you.
Alright, 273 for the
Okay. 273, y'all. I need to fix this angle. Thank you. Oh, shoot. Alright. 273. That's what I'm talking about. $2. Well, I'll get the change in a second. I need to put this back on. I need to really clean out my car. Maybe I should do that today. Is there one on the way over? Yeah, I think there is. I know there's one that way, but it's quite far down that way. I probably need to get a car wash. It's been a while. I'll just get an express one. It's like $7. I'm gonna do that today too. Ah! Yeah, that works out because when I do my return to Walmart, if I take the back way home over an exit, then there's a car wash right there. So I'll do that. Oh my gosh, my nail is bending. Got it. Nobody freak out. Because my car is a mess. And I need a new scent thing. So I get a double shot of espresso and ice, like you guys heard. And for right now, until I'm on the research for a new protein. I prefer vegan protein. I like pea protein. Whey, I don't really feel like I do the greatest with whey. But for right now, I've been doing these Premier Proteins here and there. Cake Batter Delights. Let me tell you about this. This right here is delicious. If you like cake batter like I do, it's so freaking good. I drank it alone the other day after cheat day, and it was so freaking good. I am gonna mix it with coffee, even though I don't really know how that tastes, but I mix it with that. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay. Guys, don't do what I do. Don't do what I do. So it looks like when I poured in, this is most of, oh, y'all turning and stuff? Wait, I gotta chill. Hold on, because we're making our first turn together, I think. Yeah. Okay, so this is what it looks like once I pour the Premier into it. And let's give it a taste. I'm nervous. I usually like to have a straw because I can mix it together better. I mean, I think it's good, decent. It's not like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna crave another. But this stuff alone, though, fire. And once I mix it up a little bit better, it'll be good. Okay, conquered that. Now we're gonna go to Target. I'm really excited for Target, and I'm bringing y'all in with me today. It's been a minute since y'all been with me inside Target. Y'all come in today. Okay.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me.
done. I'm not in the mood to go to Walmart. It's 3:40 something, and I'm over it. I'm ready to go home. Actually, I was gonna get a car wash, but I'm not gonna do that today either. Maybe tomorrow for sure. But I'm kind of over errands for today, so I'm just gonna go home. I need gas. Not gonna get that. I need a car wash and to swing out my car. Not gonna do that. And I still need to go to Walmart, but I'm not gonna do that either. Okay, so I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna shower and be productive. Thank y'all for spending the day with me today. Alright, well, I'm just gonna turn on my music and cruise all the way home. I'll talk to y'all later.
Rewind.